Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove the screen protector tempered glass from the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So before you can try to remove the screen, try to remove the case first. So remove the case. I'm just going to turn off the screen for now. And you can see here this tempered glass is already broken, and what you can do is try to get a spatula, something like this, and start off on the side where it already cracked or damaged, and then just put the spatula down. Now try not to push it down like this, as you may cause scratches to the screen. So instead try to lift it upwards like so, and then go around the edge of the phone. Be careful of all the small broken glasses, and just try to kind of like lift it up like this. And go around the edge. Now if you can, also try at the top and then see if you can try to pull out the whole pieces. If not, you have to go slowly around the edge of the phone. Okay, so now slowly coming off. Okay, now once we have like half of them, you can kind of like pull it off like this. It's now easier to simply just grab and pull off the screen protector. Alright, so once we have peel off the tempered glass, it's now time to give your phone screen a good clean. So I have a screen cleaner right here that we can use to clean the screen. Now there will be like lots of fine broken glasses, so just be careful when you wipe it. Just wipe it gentle. And that's it. So that's how you can remove the tempered glass screen protector from your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.